Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Klaytn. We're covering this. I haven't covered this in a very long time, but there are enough reasons why I wanted to cover it today. So that's what we'll do. First of all, it's quite bullish. All right, it got a major bullish breakout. Personally, with the premium group, I have my own premium group in which I share my own trades, and I also entered on Klay. So we are in that right now. Just as a quick intro, I have my own premium group. I share my own trades in there as signals, but you also learn how to become a better trader in there and a more profitable trader with the trading guides, but also with the chat room full of traders in which I'm very active as well. So if that sounds interesting, if you actually want to become a better trader, consider joining. There you'll also learn how to catch a rally like this, even though take profit hasn't been hit yet. I mean, it's a fine trade, but it's not over yet. Like it could still go bad. And I'll tell you for free as well how I found this crypto earlier today. So that's what we'll do. Right now, Klaytn looks very bullish, and one of the main reasons why Klaytn was expected to be bullish, or at least why I entered, is this. All right, if you take a look at the open interest growth, basically since Friday morning, what you'll see is that there a big spike in open positions was opened, about 16%. So it's not that much, but then that started growing exponentially this morning, and then we entered. Like at this point of time, you can see that the open interest is sitting around 13 million. So that's up a bunch from where it was at around 8, right? So that's almost a 100% increase. So open interest and volume, what that basically means is momentum. I'm not sure necessarily what the force is behind this bullish momentum for Klaytn. You can see volume coming from BitThumb, Hit BTC, FMFW. Usually if a lot of volume is coming from those sources, there's some sort of manipulation going on. And that means that basically it will be very volatile. All right, that's the one thing we can say. And the rest we cannot say. So I entered because it broke above the 200 EMA, which I think is very bullish. It's now struggling a bit with this resistance around 12.5 cents, which is a big psychological level. I would say the main level where it's all about is around 12.30. All right, so 0.1230. And what we'll see today is whether it will be able to break above that or not. If it breaks above that, the rally will continue, which looks like the most likely scenario right now. And I not only say that because I'm in a long trade, but there's also no indication as to why this momentum would stop. Like sure, the open interest has dropped down a little bit in the last hour, but that's logical. Like it's still very high, and it also still increased a little bit over the last 10 minutes or so. So yeah, there's still a lot of momentum. It will depend on whether it breaks above 12.30 or not. If it doesn't break above that today, that's usually the problem with these cryptos that have a lot of momentum, like bullish breakouts, etc., need to happen quickly. Because if it doesn't happen today, then I very much doubt that it will happen at all. So then it's more likely that it will just consolidate here a bit and then at some point of time break down below 12 cents and start falling down towards the old levels around 11.6 and 11.5 cents. So we'll have to wait for that. For now, I would say, like I said, there's no indication as to why Klaytn would fall from here. Well, it's like I said, it's manipulated, so it's definitely possible. But if we take a look at the numbers, volume is still massively increasing, and the open interest, like I said, is not in a downtrend or anything. Given those statistics, it still looks most likely that Klaytn will continue. But we'll see. All right, I'll keep you updated on that if it's necessary. If it drops down from here, you'll probably not hear from me again. But that's my take on Klaytn. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.